Light carving through the indigo, angular grace where the nighttime shadows grow. A silent glide, metal reflecting neon rain. No friction found on this velvet city pulses, but the pulse is left outside. Inside the shell, there's nowhere left to hide. Wrapped in the hum, away from the white noise, a mobile sanctuary, finding my poise. Leather and light, glowing in gold and in blue. A midnight rebirth in a world built for two. Soft touch surrender, the city is still bending the night to a quiet soft will. Bending the night to a quiet soft will. Symmetry.
DS Auto Studio. Drive different.